The Exhibitionist Hotel Honest Review. Look before you search for hotel. Most people assume every luxury hotel offers the same experience, but the Exhibitionist Hotel in London stands out with its bold design, central location, and unique vibe. This boutique hotel is known for its contemporary art-inspired interiors, colorful rooms, and vibrant atmosphere. One standout feature is the creative decor. It's not just a place to sleep, but an experience that blends modern art with comfort. Guests can enjoy quirky, stylish rooms and a lively social environment that feels more personal than typical chain hotels. Most people get this wrong. They assume central London hotels are all expensive with standard layouts. The surprising truth is the Exhibitionist balances luxury with character. Rates can be competitive compared to other central hotels, especially if booked in advance or during promotions. Its location on Cromwell Road puts you within walking distance of major attractions like the Natural History Museum and Hyde Park, which is ideal for both leisure and business travelers. Another advantage is the hotel's amenities. The on-site bar and restaurant serve quality meals and cocktails, perfect for relaxing after a day of sightseeing. There's also a fitness center for guests who want to maintain their routines, and the staff is known for being approachable and attentive. However, there are considerations. The bold decor may not appeal to everyone. It's very artistic and colorful, which can feel unconventional. Also, while centrally located, some rooms face busy streets, which may be noisy for light sleepers. In conclusion, the Exhibitionist Hotel is perfect for travelers who value a boutique experience with character, central convenience, and vibrant design. Its combination of unique decor, attentive service, and prime location makes it a strong choice if you want more than just a standard hotel stay in London. Subscribe for more honest hotel reviews before booking your next trip.